Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more latest and beautiful collection. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle. And too short wave and curl on hair, wavy curly hairstyling. And so attractive collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of messy hairstyles. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling. Only two hairstyles, spiky and messy. But in today's my collection, beautiful ideas of curly and fine hairstyle. Different collection of haircut. Pixie haircut. Bob haircut, shaggy haircut. And different ideas and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And so attractive collection of undercut and shaved art in low maintenance. So attractive collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. some ideas in funky colors. So attractive collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and so beautiful overall collection, overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. You look very pretty and you look too gorgeous. And if you are 35 and 40 plus, your looks change, you look younger. In low maintenance. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you know any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas. So you must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, I request you, please must share feedback, because your feedback, your opinion, your ideas, it's a very important growing channel. So please must do it. And share your ideas about short hair and if you knew or any other thing on my channel about short hair for girls and women, so must share with me. I'll wait. And please, your comments and your feedback, your opinion, your ideas in comment box. I hope you must do it. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back. With new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.